Let us welcome POC President Abraham Bambon Tolentino.
Thank you. Maganda naman po, Chairman Pato, our partner in sports, and to all of you. As tulad po na sinabi ni Chairman Pato, as a background, after the Asian Youth Games in Bahrain, going back on our flight, na di ka naman makatulog sa aeroplano. So, nag-iisip po ako, after the Asian Youth Games, ano bang kasunod? Kailan susunod? 2029. Then followed in Uzbek. Then it will be followed by Cambodia. So, ba't parang kulang? Kulang po. So, baka pwedeng magawa tayo ng ASEAN SEA Games, Youth Games. Okay? So, simple as that. So, nagawa na naman ng Constitution, Preamble, etc. Para may puntahan, tulad po na sinabi ng Chairman Pato, not only in preparation for AYG, para may pupuntahan din yung palaro and Batang Pinoy. Kadugtong po nung developmental period. So, ito na yun. Southeast Asian Youth Games. Sabi ko, bitin, bakit hindi ko lagyan ng plus? Southeast Asian plus Youth Games. So, nagkaroon po ng in short, SEAC YG. Okay, so nabuo. As a matter of fact, registered na po sa SEC. Okay, kailangan i-register sa SEC para may legal personality. Okay? So, ito na, nabuo na. Nalaman ko lately, after that, na mabuo, yung palang simula ng hindi ko alam na gano'n, nagkataon lang. Yung pong simula ng SEA Games, ay SEAP din. Hindi sinasadya na magkaparehas. SEAP, Southeast Asian Peninsular Games. Diba? Nagkataon, very coincident, diba? So SEAP, so with the approval and guidance of OCA, this was launched, itong atin, launched last Bangkok Games before the kaya nalit ako, tapos di na ako pumasok, hindi na pinapasok, nalit ako sa basketball before the finals. Doon namin yung launch yun, including with the guest of Executive Director General Captain Hussein, present on that launching of this game. So, under our constitution, on this constitution, it should be 1 year before AYG. Okay. So, sabi ko kanina, the AYG will be 2029. So, bakit naman 2027? Well, I'm announcing it will be 2027 because OCA wanted it to have games on all continents ng AYG preparation. 2027. Sabi ko yung constitution natin, 1 year before 28. So pumayag na rin po tayo ng 27, as long as December. So what's the difference between December and January? So parang 28 na rin po yun. So kaya ang age niya, it will be 16 and under. Pagkatapos ng 29, makakalaro na sila ng AYG. Either 17 or 18. Okay. What's the plus? The plus are the countries, NOCs, outside ASEAN. Okay. The 11 ASEAN plus sino yung Central Asia, West Asia, East Asia. So, as of today, ang invite ko po ay Korea, Japan, ito muna ka-bracket, Korea, Japan, Macau, Chinese Taipei. Okay. On the other side is, nandiyan po yan sa monitor. Kingdom of Bhutan, Nepal, and Sri Lanka. On Central Asia, Turkmenistan, Kyrgyzstan. On the Middle East, it will be Bahrain, Qatar, and Saudi Arabia. Okay, so just read between the lines. Bakit yun ang in-invite natin? So, as a founding president of this new organization, of course, we will be the host of the first edition. So, tama-tama po, next year, I will be announcing that the dates will be, as announced also by Chairman Pato, will be December 2 to December 14. The 2 will be the opening ceremony, and the 14 will be the closing ceremony. Under the Constitution also, of course, what are the sports? The sports are the two mandatory sports, aquatics and athletics. These will be played, of course, in New Clark City. Dahil nandun po yung world-class facility natin, activities. Okay? So, nandun yung NAS. Actually, most, baka dapat na, merong atleta na not only coming from Palaro or Batang Pinoy. Dapat may makuha rin sa NAS. Dahil ito yung mga ages ng atleta. So, those two mandatory will be played at New Clark City. Then, 12, 5, 1. That's the quota. What are 12? 12 is the Olympic sports. 5 are the sports played in Asia, not Olympic sports. And 1, traditional. Okay? So I'll go to Olympic sports as partially decided by the POC. Included in Olympic sports are boxing, triathlon, judo, taekwondo, wrestling, basketball, fencing, tennis, and gymnastics. Kami po ay nakapag-preliminary meetings na ng sinabi ng mga binanggit kong sports na kasali. And meeting na po kami to discuss everything. Then on non-Olympic sports, it will be jiu-jitsu. Alam niyo naman kung paano tayo umakot ng medalya sa jiu-jitsu. Dance sports, makakot din tayo ng medalya dyan. At saka meron mga regional dance sports. Meron pala ng developmental grassroots program yan. MMA. One dying that we will be resurrecting sports na popular sa Philippines, billiards. Okay. Manood na lang kayo mga Facebook kung sino malalakas sa billiards na mga bata. Ang dami malalakas ngayon. Sa traditional sports po, of course, our NIS, our national game. So, every edition yan, mababago yan. So, ano po yun naman nyo? Parang ano lang yun, parang 2019. We try to copy 2019 SEA Games hosting. Kung paano tayo nagkaroon mga ganong medals. Nagkamali nga akong nabitbit kong folder. 30th SEA Games Philippines Gold Hunt 2019. All my notes and pictures are here. Kung paano po natin binuo yung sports ng 2019 and paano tayo ng overall champion. So, what else? Venues, yung sinabi ko kanina, mandatory sports will be in New Clark City, plus triathlon will be in Subic, kasi hindi po kaya maglawin dito sa mga hindi po kapasa dito sa Manila Bay. Sana dito lahat. But majority of the sports will be in SMX. Dito sa Pasay. The new SMX, by that time, ready na po yung new SMX mas malaki. Okay, yes. So, it will be, kaya na po ng NOC yan, kung sino yung mauna. Hindi naman po makukonsume lahat yung days eh. Matapos ng mga gayon, palit si ganon, iisa yung month nila. Hindi po ba? And ang mapapahiwalay lang, then, will be skateboard. Of course, nasa Tagaytay yun. And golf. That's it. Tapos, nakausap ko na po yung golf kayo na, and they're willing to do it in Midlands. So, yeah. Para yung LOC, isa na yung makahiwalay. The skateboard and golf, nandun sa Tagaytay. Kasi nandun yung skateboard. Pag po kasama yung skateboard, baka tanong yung nag-coach sa last SEA Games is both 11 years old. So, ang mabigat lang natin doon, our Japanese friends. Kasi pinagdanan din, wala ka, food. Darating nandiyan ka pala, parang hindi ka kasali. Still waiting. Meron, hindi na po na yung binanggit ko kanina. May, yung sa 12, 11 lang. 11 lang. So, sabihin may slot pa. Doon sa 12 Olympic sports. Doon sa 5 Asian, 4 lang. Kung matalas kayo kayo na, 4 lang yung binanggit ko. So, may slot pa. Pero meron list na po kami ng mga waiting list, nakapila, kung sino yung pwedeng ganda. If that will be football, they will be using the MOA sa taas. Sky Village. Pwede po pa yung iba yung sa kabila, pwede doon ng qualifying or what. Remember, Japan and Korea will be there. Japan and Korea will be there. Hindi natin alam. So with that, this is the first edition. We are very proud together with PSC. The first edition, the founding president will be in the Philippines. Date, December 2 to 14, 2027. So after the 2019 SEA Games, now this is the time ipakita ulit natin yung pag-host ng Philippines. And before timeline, well, that will be for we've already established I'm going to go the local organizing committee, which will be called as PhilSEAP WIGO. PhilSEAP WIGO. Okay, we need that organizing committee to have a tripartite between PSC, POC, and the local organizing committee. And at this juncture, I would like to relay to you that the head, the president, the CEO of the local organizing committee will be endorsed to no other than the chairman of the Philippine Sports Commission, Honorable Pato Gregorio. If we will accept that it will go through.
Thank you for the announcement.
Thank you for the surprise announcement. But of course, we will guide you on all other committees, especially the sports and rules will be
Chairman na siya ng
from POC,
organizing committee ng
from
Lawrence.
all NSA. Tulong-tulong po tayo dito dahil bansa po nakakaya dito sa first edition. And tanungin nyo yung mamaya, how about the second edition? Nakapila na po yung second edition. Pinag-aagawa na po ng Vietnam and Indonesia the second edition. Okay? So, doon po medyo may tampo. Kailan bakit daw hindi sila ang everything kasi sila yung CFF but not under CFF. So, hindi naisip ito. Tagal-tagal na yan. Tayo nakaisip ng organization. So, I think kompleto na. Then, maybe in a few days we will be having the signing of the tripartite between PSC, POC, and the LOC, organizing committee. And after that, all announcements, updating will be coming from the LOC. Just like before, di ba? Just like before, yung nag-hosting yan. Our target is May. Since April will be the first meeting of CFP for Kuala Lumpur SEA Games 2027 then. That's September. Tayo naman, December. And remember, iba naman yung delegates ng SEA Games sa YG. Kasi mo naman nasasabak yung 13 years old, 15 years old sa 30 years old. What? Sa 25 years old. So ibang dynamics naman yung sa atin. So okay lang yung magkasunod, September and December. So kaya ayaw natin lampasan sa pawan ng mga meetings ng CFP in preparation for SEA Games. That's why our first meeting of YG will be May. Because the first meeting of CFP will be April. So May, si Chairman Pato na po mag-i-invite ng LOC. Those NOCs that will be participating to announce everything, all parang launching na rin, setting the parameters, the date, CDM's meeting, THP, entry by numbers, entry by name, all activities. Pagtutulong-tulungan na po namin yun. Will be on May's first meeting. Okay? So that's the announcement that the first edition of SEA Plus YG. SEA Southeast Asia plus the different countries Youth Games in Manila. 2027, December 2 to December 14. Magandang hapon po.